fried chicken at home. Steven can't cook edition here. First off, we're going to start with our brine, which consists of water, some garlic, juice of half a lemon from Mama Chow's garden. I'm going to throw the whole thing in there. This is just a regular non-organic orange, so we'll leave the peel out. A handful of organic ginger, salt, whole peppercorns, some sugar, and more kosher salt, and a little bit of that Pilsner or lager or any light beer you have. Touch of vinegar and about half a cup of whole milk. And this is our brine for our chicken wings, our party wings, drums and wings packed together. This is about 3 of those packs from Costco, and we're gonna throw it in the brine overnight. This is gonna season and moisturize our wings even more. In the meantime, let's make some homemade ranch dressing. We got buttermilk, we got avocado mayo. We're just cooking today. I'm not gonna go exact measurements. I'll put the ingredients down below, but we're just cooking. Some Dijon mustard, some horseradish, some garlic cloves, some dried thyme. I'm eyeballing everything, and some dried parsley. Blend that sucker up. Boom. You got cooking easy, healthy, homemade ranch with avocado mayo, so no vegetable oil in this mixture here. Creamy, flavorful, and not too fatty, not too rich, which is okay. And some of the garlic didn't blend all the way, but that's fine. Jar it up, and now you got some ranch. Alright, so this is the next day here. The brine has been sitting in the fridge overnight. This is the morning after, and we're going to fish out our wings. They have been infused and cleaned with that flavor, the beer, the milk. Yes, it's curdling, but everything will be okay. This is a Roy Choi Meghan recipe. He was on her show, and they were making fried chicken. So this is where the recipe is coming from, inspired from that episode where they made fried chicken at Meghan. I don't know her last name's house. All right, so we're gonna fish out the chicken, and we're gonna bring that up to a boil. And it's gonna start foaming up because of the milk, because of the chicken blood. Just use the strainer to kind of mix it down. Pop those bubbles. And then we're gonna add our chicken back in, and we're gonna let it parboil here for 8 to 15 minutes. Okay, so bring it up to a low boil, about 10 minutes, about 8 minutes here. And I'm kind of winding it down. And then we're gonna turn off the heat, and we're gonna fish back out all our parboiled chicken. So now it's brined and parboiled, roughly 80 to 90% cooked. You can just get rid of that water, and boom, that is our foundation. That is our base for this wonderful fried chicken recipe. Here we have some organic all-purpose flour that we're going to dry coat first. Boom. Dry coat with some flour, all-purpose flour, and then here we have our tempura flour from the Asian market. About a cup of tempura flour, and I'm gonna put half a cup of beer or sparkling water, club soda if you have. If not, just use water. I'm gonna add a little bit more water and a touch more water until I get that nice consistency that I want. A little watery should be fine. We have our avocado oil in the back balcony here. I added some ice cubes to that batter. This will ensure that it takes a little longer for that batter to come up to temperature so it can be more crispy. So add some ice cubes right before you're ready to fry. Real quick, since it's already cooked, the only thing you have to do is make sure that you get the desired color you want. So it's very low stress frying, very clean frying, just a little residual from that tempura batter, but nothing crazy. Let's do them in batches, about 8 to 10 for the wok. Very crispy, very fun. Make sure you get some help. The frying alone is rough sometimes. So Kim's helping me here. Make sure you get those beautiful bubbles, like the perfect amount of bubbles there. So she's gonna continue to fry. And when these come out the oil, you wanna season them right away. So I have some salt with paprika. And we're just gonna hit it with some salt and paprika. And again, this is just the foundation, guys. You can then mix it in buffalo. You can add special glaze. But honestly, when I get wings, I kind of just like it as is, dried, maybe a little rub. But I'm not into the sauciness. Sometimes too sweet, too soggy. So this is gonna set a good foundation. So just salt, paprika, and I hit it with a little dried parsley so it gets a little color. And that's it. Homemade ranch. And the sky's the limit. You guys can toss this in a Korean glaze, a Thai glaze, a fish sauce glaze, buffalo, lemon pepper, whatever you want. But at least we have the foundation. The chicken is cooked. The chicken is juicy. The crust is absolutely perfect. And don't be afraid to make fried chicken at home. It's super easy. Just take your time every step. Thank you guys for watching. What we